Is your BMW 4 Series key fob not working? It likely needs a new battery, typically a CR2032. First, identify your fob type. Most 4 Series models from 2014 onwards, including F32, F33, F36, and the 2021 Plus G22, have a similar design with a physical key release. To open it, locate the small seam on the side of the fob. Use a small screwdriver or pry tool to gently pry the casing apart. Be careful not to damage the internal circuit board. Newer comfort access systems might have slightly different internal layouts, but the opening process is generally the same. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery in the compartment. Note the polarity. The positive side with the plus symbol should face up. Use a small tool like a screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery from its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side faces up. Press it down gently to ensure it's securely seated. Reassemble the fob by carefully snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob by pressing the unlock button to ensure it works. If the fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the casing is fully closed. For persistent issues, especially under warranty, consider a dealer visit. Finally, remember to recycle the old battery responsibly at a designated collection point.